Hello. Those of us who are following the industry of coaching and leadership as well recognize that within the next year, AI is going to replacing so many of the things we as especially coaches do. You may have a great, amazing ability to create a website, an amazing ability to create a bookkeeping process, to use Excel, whatever the case may be. All of that is wonderful, but so much of that can be replaced. Just putting so much information into AI, as AI continues to develop, we can be so readily replaced quickly. And it's cheaper, it's freer, perhaps, than hiring a coach, especially a high ticket coach. The one element that AI can never touch is the ability for transformational work. It can offer all kinds of ideas, all kinds of concepts that may be wonderfully productive and supportive to your clients. But what it can't do is point out to your client in the moment when they are in defense, point out to your client in the moment when they are in fear, when they are in some story that they are telling themselves to keep themselves stuck. To have the ability to do that is going to require a significant amount of personal growth on the part of the coaches out there who have focused on content development, who have focused on skill development, technical development, who have focused on understanding the 5 steps, the 10 steps, the whatever it is that they're doing, whatever they're teaching. So much more than those steps is the coach's ability not to become psychologists, but to have the ability to recognize what wounds are up for your client, what stories are up for your clients, what masks are they wearing, what defenses are they using, what are they doing that avoids them going ahead, what are they doing that is sabotaging them becoming the client they're capable of becoming. You've heard many a time, this isn't about doing more, it is about becoming more. An effective coach is going to be focused primarily on supporting their client becoming more. The skills you can teach, the steps you can teach, the steps you can explain in great detail are going to be secondary because all the knowledge in the world, all the steps that need to be taken will be irrelevant if they can't get out of their own way. That will be what separates the 90% of the coaches who by the end of 2026 will no longer be able to find a client because those clients will be turning to AI for everything that they need and they'll be getting it. So it is supporting your clients and recognizing needs they don't even know they have. Supporting your clients and recognizing that who they're becoming is far more important than what they're learning. And for that, the coaches need to have been able to do that for themselves. Keeping you in my thoughts. Have a great day.